How many puppies is my Snap Circuits fire alarm demonstration?
Everything that goes pizza.
It's not really working. Alright guys, we're back at this air conditioner heaven I filmed a while back. And one of the units is finally running. It's this one right here. Some of them were sadly replaced. But here we have this Green Valley series from June of 2011. And we have a General Electric Deluxe heater air conditioner heat pump. I'll get back to that in a moment. This also has a GE motor. We'll see what this thing is. Yeah, it's not showing off. Okay, I'm trying to find a dish unit. Sorry, that's really close. Okay, this is from 2008. And here we have a Goodman. Probably like brand new or something. I'm guessing. Okay. Oh no, this is from like 2006. It's not brand new at all. This is Payne right here, I believe. It's also from 2008. Now we'll go to the General Electric Deluxe. Can't even says right there without it being in the serial number. From like, I believe, February of 1983. Here we have a Tappan. And inside there's a Copeland. I think it's a reciprocating compressor made by Copeland. Where's the data sheet on this thing? There's one. Oh, there it is. It's like very low down in the ground though. And it is from what, like 2005? Then we have this Lennox right here from 2006. I believe it's one of those Merit series. But yeah, I'm glad to see that finally at least one of the units is running. I feel like I heard something turn on. There are some units that are on over here. Well, here we have two older Goodmans. Oh, this one's pretty hard to access. But this one's from 2005. And this other one here is from also 2005. Those are both 2005 Goodmans right there. Here we have Airflow air conditioner. It's one with 4 blades. Manufactured in 2012. Thought something turned on. Maybe it just turned off. But here we have an old Guardian air conditioner. And it was manufactured in, oh wait, I can barely see. But it's from like, yeah, I really don't know. What if anything else turned on? Well, we got here. Besides just this Payne, whatever it is. Gonna see if there's any more air conditioners here, other than those ones I just filmed. And this is at bridal shop, more than just a bridal shop. Also chiropractic. Wait. Wish I can't find any more air conditioners, but up there is Synergy Health and Wellness. And from all of this, I have found what I could. Let's see if any of these units turn on. Nope, none of those Goodmans turned on. Doesn't sound like anything over here turned on. And nothing turned on here. It's really like how, again, just like put that Guardian logo there. But that'll be it for today. Make sure to like and subscribe for more.